Imagine driving a car with 3 wheels. This one better get smashed. God damn it. School bus full of children. Well, that sucks. Here comes the kidnapper van. How about damn time? Mommy's minivan. Mommy might be dead. Redneck monster truck. At least he's a good driver. Oh my God, here comes the Volkswagen Beetle. I hope this one gets smashed into 1,000. Well, shit. I fucking hate taxi cabs. Uber is better. Here comes the Popo. Fuck 12. Why does this feel like slow motion? This guy sucks at driving. He crashed before even reaching the hammer.